Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm pretty excited about today's video because I am about to get a transformation in this powder room. I cannot wait. My installer is coming. She's coming out in the morning, so I have to get the space ready, which means, you know, removing everything, taking all of the Dollar Tree stickers off of the wall. They lasted a pretty long time, but I'm just, you know, I'm ready for a change anyways. I want to like really update this space, and the stickers are starting to peel off, like all at the top. I mean, I think I had them up here for about 2 years. So yeah, pretty long time for some Dollar Tree stickers, but the kids are like, you know, ripping them off and stuff, and they're just, it's starting to look bad. I don't really like it anymore. I mean, it's cute, but it's time for a change. So I've teamed up with Wall Covering Smart for this video. They have so many beautiful selections of wallpaper, different designs, different patterns, as you guys can see. Just amazing. Okay guys, definitely click the link in the description box if you want to browse the site. You can definitely find something. So many different textures. They have paintable wallpaper. It's amazing. I definitely recommend this company, guys. Okay, so let me show you guys. The one I decided to pick is so pretty. Ooh. Oh, it's heavy. So this is the wallpaper, guys. It's so beautiful. I definitely wanted something with metallic in it, something with grays and silvers, and I came across this one. It may seem somewhat dark, but that's the look I was going for. I really love the look of like a dark and a moody kind of powder room because it's such a small space. So yeah, you could just have fun with it. You don't have to keep it light and bright. I mean, I want it to look like something from a luxury hotel. That's what I want it to look like. So we'll see how this turns out with this wallpaper. I think it's going to be beautiful. It's not going to be so basic in here. So yeah, I cannot wait for this install. But yeah, I have to go and remove everything, take all of this stuff out. I use double-sided tape for this. I put like napkins in here for like drying your hands, but man, that's some strong tape because I cannot even pull it off. So I feel like it's gonna rip the paint. And I do believe I have some holes in the wall from the towel holder. Yeah, and I didn't patch it up. I just put a sticker on top of it, so I have to patch that up. Yeah, I need to just get this space ready before the installer comes. She's coming first thing in the morning. I'm not gonna have any time tomorrow to like try to get any of this done, so just gonna go ahead and do it now.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me.
Alright guys, so it's been really easy taking off the stickers, but now I'm trying to remove this. It's a foul organizer that I've been using as like a napkin holder, because I don't want to put like a towel rack in here and have everyone using the same towel to dry their hands. So I put this in here, and I use the double-sided tape. And I always use this double-sided tape, and I have no issues taking it off of the wall. But this here is, oh my goodness, it's so hard to get this off, and I don't know why this tape is being so difficult. I mean, it was a, you know, cute little idea, but I would have to find another way to hang this that's not going to damage the wall, because look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Got some patchwork to do. All right, let me finish up. Good morning, guys. So The installer is here. She's getting her stuff out of the car, but I just wanted to show you what I did last night because I was up until like 2 in the morning because I had to stop and, you know, tend to the kids. But I was like patching up holes in the wall and sanding. So I was just asking her if you can install a wallpaper.
People think that paint on the wall is primer.
Mm-hmm.
But paint is paint.
Right.
And the purpose of the primer, like this is transparent, it's going to dry transparent.
Mm-hmm.
But what it does is it puts a sheen, like this kind of sheen.
Okay.
Like this kind of sheen, actually. It puts between your paste and your wall. So that when you go to take off the paper, you don't pull holes in the wall.
Yeah, so I was just asking her if you can install this wallpaper like in a regular bathroom with a shower. And she said, yes, you just have to make sure you prime the walls first. Alright guys, so I'm not going to try to stick the camera in there right now, but when she gets to the back wall, I'll show you like what she's doing. But I will have messed this up because I didn't even know that's what you're supposed to do. And this detector is chirping and it's driving me crazy. I don't have a battery to put in it and I keep trying to hush it, but it's just not working. It worked last night when I hushed it, but anyways, if you hear the chirping, just don't come for me in the comments. I know. But yeah, she's getting started. The space is pretty small, so I can't like get the camera in there, or I would just be in her way. So I'll wait until she gets to the back wall and show you like what she's doing. But she's priming the wall right now, which is something I wouldn't have done because it's just something I didn't know. Yeah, I would have like really messed this up. That's why I wanted the professional to come and do this because I'm not good with wallpaper. Like, I'm good with a lot of stuff, but wallpaper is not one of them. I have tried. Now, can you apply a wallpaper on a textured wall?
Yeah, you can, but depending on the thickness, like the paper that you have chosen there, you could put that on a textured wall, but you still have to scrape the wall or sand it.
Oh, okay.
Or you hang a liner paper, depending on what. The paper that you chose there is pretty thick, so you wouldn't have to liner the wall for that, but you would have to liner the wall if you were using a thinner paper.
So she's just cutting all of her strips now.
Some manufacturers say, oh, you could paste the wall. Cork is the only paper that you could really paste the wall first. But everything else, you need to paste the paper. And you gotta fold it straight. You gotta fold it exactly straight because when you come to the wall, it's not straight and you have to cut it. You see how it's completely folded onto itself? So it doesn't dry out. And when you get to the wall and you pick up the paper like this and you go here, the top is here.
The top, yeah, okay.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
So Miss Anita is done. She did an amazing job. It's so pretty. I don't feel like it's too dark. It's perfect, guys. And I'm gonna let Miss Anita tell you how to contact her in case you want to get your wallpaper installed because she is the star of the show. All right, so tell them about yourself in case anyone wants to hire you to have their paper installed.
Well, for the next 2 years. The number is 757-424-2931.
All right, she might be retiring, guys, so if you want to get a good service, you better hop on it. All right, guys, so it's been a couple of days. I didn't want to come in here immediately and just hang the mirror back up because the wallpaper was still, you know, trying to dry, so I didn't want to disturb it. But I did change the mirror. This one was in storage, and I just think it looks better. I didn't like the way the other mirror looked against this wallpaper because the other mirror has gold in it, so I didn't want to put that one back up. So I went into, you know, my storage and found this one, and I really like it. I didn't do much decorating yet. I really don't want to like put a lot of holes in this wallpaper, so I'm trying to decide on if I want to put like some art maybe on this wall. I don't know. I'm just like so nervous because you guys know I tend to get really picky and I like to switch stuff up, and I don't want to just have a bunch of little holes in this wallpaper, so I'm not going to mess with it right now. I feel like it's not even necessary, to be honest with you. And I had this plant in storage as well. I really love the way this purple looks against this wallpaper. It's really pretty, but I just put it in here. I'm not going to, you know, put anything on this wall. I'm just going to keep like a plant on top of the toilet. I think that looks nice. It's good enough. But yeah, I have this rug in here. This was in here before. I might switch out this plant though because I wanted to get something with like, you know, white flowers, but we'll see because I do like the way this looks. I just don't know if I like the purple with the blue rug. I don't know. I'm just using stuff I already have in the house. I'm not trying to do too much shopping right now. So yeah, let me come in here. Let me sit down so you guys can see, like, okay, why am I doing this? I don't know. Let me do it this way. Okay, nope, you can still see me, but I'm trying to get like the back of this face through the mirror. This space is so small, it's hard to capture it, but I still have the same light fixture. I decided not to mess with that right now. I mean, if we stay in this house, I'm definitely replacing it. But as of now, it's good enough. But it's really pretty. This wallpaper is so beautiful. It definitely like transformed this space. Looks really nice. And I have my mirrored switch plates. I got these from Home Depot if you're wondering. And here I am. I just ate, so don't mind how bloated I look. I am so happy with the turnout, guys. It looks better than expected. I actually like this mirror here as well. I did want to get something round, but I mean, that can wait. It's no big deal. I think this one looks just fine. I think it looks just fine in here, but if I come across a really affordable round mirror, something that's really pretty, that's going to really make this space look even more like luxurious, I'm going to get it. Because I did have plans for this mirror. I have 2 of them and I wanted to use them somewhere else. But for now, it'll stay here. You know, it's no big deal. It looks good in the space. I do have to go back and get a soap dispenser because the one I had was gold and I don't like the way that looks, so I have to get a new soap dispenser, and I'm thinking about putting like, you know, a small plant right here, you know, just bring in some more greenery. I think that'll look really nice. This is a really small pedestal sink. You don't have a lot of space to put anything, so I have to find a really slim soap dispenser. I do want to put something back on here for napkins because I'm not really a fan of having like a towel rack in a powder room, everyone using the same towels to dry, you know, dry off their hands. That's nasty. No, I really love that like napkin holder, so I'm gonna have to find something that, you know, I can maybe nail into the wall, something that's light, and I can use some like really tiny nails and you know, just nail it up here. So I'm still searching for that. It's more than likely going to be another file organizer, but something I can just like, you know, hook on a nail, because the other one you can like hook it on a nail. You had to like tape it on the wall. But I'm still searching for it because I really did love having like that napkin holder. It's just perfect, especially for a space where you have people coming in and out, guests coming in and out. using the space. Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and show you this napkin holder that I just found at Tuesday morning. But this is perfect. It's beautiful. I just have to spray paint it, so now I have to find some spray paint. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to put in here for my napkins. But yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up this video for now. I will come back and show you the space when I find the rest of the items I need to just like completely finish it. But as of right now, it's good enough. I'll just bring my Oaks soap dispenser back in here so people can still wash their hands. But when I do find everything I need for the space, of course I'm going to share it with you guys. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.